Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Voice Magic review. In this review, we're going to be taking a close look at Voice Magic, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I've carefully put together to get you the best result with Voice Magic. And this goes live on the 12th of January by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. This is another brilliant one from Ram Rawat. Now, in a nutshell, Voice Magic allows anyone to create unlimited personalized voice clones. Now, you are going to be getting access to thousands of AI voices that are the closest to real human voices that I've seen. Practically, majority of people would not be able to differentiate between these voices and any other real human voice. Now, it allows you to clone your own voice. Now, this is where things get very interesting. If you are an introvert and you still need to create content, first of all, you understand that if you're going to do anything online, if you're going to make any decent income online, one way to do it is to create content. However it is you want to, whatever it is you want to do to get to generate some decent income for yourself online, you got to create one form of content or the other. And as a matter of fact, I have come to realize that creating, this kind of content, either for YouTube, either for TikTok, practically anywhere, even if you are putting videos on sales pages, you are going to need to create some form of content, either voice, either videos, or, you name it. So Voice Magic allows you, even if you are a complete introvert and you don't know how to create this content, you can basically grab text and put it in here and it's actually going to generate, and you can actually select not just the voices or not just the voice clones. You can actually select the speed at which you want the these voices to come out. You can select the emotions, either happy, either sad. You have a lot of control right here in the dashboard of Voice Magic. So I'm going to let you see how this works, but most importantly, I've put together some high value custom bonuses to ensure you get even better results here. So bonus number one, we are going to be getting access to 50,000 plus ChatGPT prompts. Now, if you know a thing or two about getting the best results from AI, you need to understand how to prompt AI so that you can get exactly the kind of results that you want. So you are getting access to 50,000 properly engineered prompts that you can actually go and use to get some amazing results from ChatGPT. Also, bonus number two, you're going to be getting access to 10,000 plus responsive themes and plugins. You're going to be getting access to WordPress themes and plugins. You're going to be getting access to Shopify themes. You're going to be getting access to Joomla templates, quite a lot of them that you can use here. You're going to be getting access to all of these as for free as my second bonus. Now, bonus number three, you're going to be getting access to 5,000 social media templates that you can customize either on free Canva or you can go and customize on Photoshop. The choice is yours. You can actually use these attention grabbing templates to drive traffic practically from any social media platform to your affiliate links. Also, bonus number four, you are going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that gives you access to done-for-you bonus page templates. Just like this one you are looking at right now, you're going to be getting access to a ton of free products that you are going to be able to give away. And of course, you are going to be getting access to yourself. You're going to be getting access to done-for-you bonuses, but it doesn't stop there, because you're going to be getting access to free traffic inside your dashboard, from the free traffic rotator that is actually built into this automated cloud-based software. You're going to be getting access to a ton of beautiful funnels here, which you can easily also customize, all for free as my bonus number four. Bonus number five, you're also going to be getting access to some done for you hand-picked high converting products from ClickBank, from Warrior Plus, and then you are getting access to custom funnels, affiliate marketing funnels that you can actually use to build your list while actually driving free traffic to this product. Video training is here, and you're actually getting access to the pro version of the commission loader software, and you're going to be getting access to quite a ton of other high value cloud-based free traffic generating bonuses. I'm going to be showing you how to do email marketing from your WordPress website without paying monthly fees to, autoresponders like autoresponder softwares like GetResponse, like Aweber and likes. If you have a website, you have a WordPress website, no need to, keep paying monthly if you are going to be doing email marketing. You are also going to be getting access to quite a ton of other bonuses here. Bonus number 9, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own WordPress website, even if you have zero experience. This is coming from someone with over 10 years experience creating professional websites for businesses. You're going to find out how to create your own website from scratch and sell on it, without writing a single line of code. And of course, bonus number 10, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses as well. So to claim all these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Voicemagic, where you're going to be able to pick it up. So here it says breakthrough, world's first and only app that creates personalized AI voice clones with the exact emotions, accent, and tone across multiple languages using a secret vocal identity matrix tech that no one else has. So feel free to come check this out in your own time to get more information about these ones. It goes live 12th of January by 10 a.m. Eastern time. So come check out the sales page in your own time. There's a ton of information here. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Drop them in the comment section. I'm going to let you see how this works right now. Thank you for checking out this review, and I'll see you in the next.
Hi guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create personalized voice clones in just a few minutes. So first, I'm going to show you a voice clone. Then I'm going to add some emotions to it. And then I'm going to convert that cloned voice into a different language and show you all the 3 different results. Okay, then I'm also going to show you the emotional voice that you can create with our AI voices. We have over 1890 or nearly 2000 AI voices you can choose from. Also, using our voice synthesis option, you can create unique of a kind voices. So what are those? I'm going to show you in just a couple of minutes. First, let me show you how to create a voice clone in this first example. So let's select engine 1. I'm going to say YouTube intro. Okay, let's use this. Write a 40-word YouTube intro for a digital marketer who specializes in generating traffic. Use tone of Frank Kern. You can write any prompt, any keyword here, and it will create your script. You can also just copy and paste your script here in case you don't want to use ChatGPT. The script is now ready. Let's just change the name to Mike. Click on continue. Here we are going to upload your voice clone, your original voice. For this, I want to use this voice.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're looking to skyrocket.
Okay, let's just click on continue. And we can change the language here if I want to, but our script is in English. I'm going to use English. You can select the speed if you want to increase it, decrease it, double your speed. Next, click on submit. And in just a few minutes, your voice clone will be ready. So let me also show you the engine number 2 where I can change the emotion. Earlier, we just cloned the voice in this, but with this, we can change the emotion as happy, sad, shouting, whispering, angry, excited, and so on. So let's give this a title. Let's say make money, excited. Our script is ready. Click on continue. Here we are going to select the same voiceover we used. Let's say I want the voice to sound excited because I can use this for an ad. I can also use cheerful. Cheerful? Let's use excited for this one and see how does it sound. It will take some time and your voice will be ready here. Before we go and hear all these voices, let's do one more thing. Let's convert our voice clone into a different language and see how that sounds as well. We are going to create a new voice clone using our engine 3. Let's say digital marketing French. Write a 50-word tips on digital marketing in French. You can directly paste the script in French as well here, or you can use this prompt to write a script directly in French. So you see, we have our script in French. Let's click on continue, and we're going to use the same original voice we used before. Now I'm going to click on continue, and these are actually the different accent that you can use of different languages. So I'm going to use French. It's going to use the same regional pronunciation and accent. So it feels ultra realistic and same. And next, just click on submit, give it a few minutes, and VoiceOver will be ready. Okay, so I created one more voice clone for the original voice, and we'll see how the sound first. But let me show you some other options first. There's voice synthesis here. We have over 1,800, nearly 2,000 AI voices that exactly sounds like real humans. It mimics human natural speech patterns, accurately pronounce words and phrases for a clear and fluent voiceover experience. Not just that, it can adapt your voice according to the context of the sentence. It's very, very powerful. So let me show you how it works. It's same as the previous ones. You need to go and enter your project, generate a script. Click on continue. If you want to change the language, you can do that here. And now here, you'll have over 1,894 voice synthesis options, which are super high quality, and you can use them in your projects.
This is sample voice. You can use.
This is sample voice.
This is sample voice. You can use this amazing voice with your own text. Just select this voice, add your text, and you are done.
This is sample voice. You can use this amazing voice with your own text.
Let's just try this one. And then you can click on submit, and the voice will be generated. And now let me show you the emotional voices. In this, you can select the emotion you want, and your voice will be generated using that emotion. Let's say I'm going to use cheerful, happy, angry. Let's say cheerful. You can also see the language here. Emotion is cheerful. You can change the speed if you want. You can select any of the AI emotional voices here.
Have you become,
After 50,
the first one who that's what makes actually the
Let's use this. Click on submit, and our cheerful voice will be already here. Now let me go and show you all our voices that we generated and see how they sound. Okay, so let's first hear the original voice that we used.
Voice that we use.
welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're looking to skyrocket your website's traffic and seriously boost your online presence, you're in the right place. I'm here to share some killer strategies that will attract visitors like bees to honey. Stay tuned.
Okay, now let's hear the intro that we created within the personalized AI voice clone.
Deep into cutting-edge strategies. Hey, everybody. Mike here, your go-to digital marketing guru. In this video, I am diving deep into cutting-edge strategies to skyrocket your web traffic. Tune in as I unpack powerful, proven techniques to boost your online presence and dominate your market.
Great, it sounds great. It sounds exactly like that. Let's again hear the same voice in French.